How to check your user agent. Understanding your user agent string can help with troubleshooting, testing, and browser behavior analysis. Whether you're a developer, a digital marketer, or just curious, here's how to check your user agent on any browser or device. A user agent is a string of text that your browser sends to websites. It identifies your browser type, operating system, and device. This information helps websites serve the correct layout or version of their content. Here is an example of a typical user agent string. How to check your user agent in 2025. First way is the easiest way. Use online tools. Go to one of these websites, then check it out. It shows your user agent and all information a website can see about you. The second way is checking via browser console. Turn on the console in DevTools and go to any website. Type the command as shown on the screen. The third way is check it under Network tab in DevTools. Right-click and select Inspect Element. Go to Network tab, select any request, then scroll down to Request Header section. You will see User Agent displayed here. The fourth way is to use the command line. On macOS, Linux, or WSL terminals, you can use the following command. Some notes about user agents can be spoofed by bots or extensions. Strings may be misleading due to compatibility hacks. Developers should use feature detection. Now you know how to check your user agent. Follow for more tech tips.
I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.